let's hear a little bit about FIBARO. Kristian, tell us a little bit about yourself and your role at FIBARO and what that brand offers.
Yeah, hello everyone. Hi Jennifer. I'm very super excited. Thanks for having us here. So I'm the part of FIBARO project from the actually very beginning, since company started in 2010 in the garage. So last 10 years I've been responsible for some IoT integrations and a lot of telco strategic projects and alliances. But mostly currently I'm responsible for new products introduction, delivery strategy, and also the new business delivery and development and the growth that it brings. And in fact, FIBARO is a part of the NICE group, and we are the leading Z-Wave solution, and we are providing like complete customer experience with delivering both products, which are gateways and accessories. And our core business are custom installers and distributors. We are a global company selling in around 70 different markets, but also we are very, let's say, retail, online, DIY oriented in some of our fields, because the smaller part of our product portfolio is also Apple HomeKit enabled. So our specialty, in fact, are best-in-class micro modules and beautifully crafted multi-sensor with the Z-Wave technology on board. But in case of the NICE group, let's say part and being a part of the company's portfolio, we are responsible for linking the products together, giving more smart home experience and delivery, user-friendly but very powerful smart home solutions, because we believe that simple solutions still can be very powerful.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. So from the smart home perspective, there's often two approaches as well, particularly when it comes to install, right? You have a business model that really requires professional installation or leans into professional installation and perhaps provides a more integrated experience or kind of custom solution for the home. And then there's really the DIY installation experience where there might be a point solution. It might be easy installation for the end user, but a fragmented experience in the home. Which one do you see as having the most, growth potential right now?
So yeah, sure. In fact, we are currently really putting a lot of effort to somehow combine those two worlds. So most likely, simple solution will grow faster currently because of those reasons that Chris said, the COVID situation, DIY market, also the huge business to customers, ATL campaigns, and manufacturers like Amazon or Google that are joining the race and really investing a lot. So this market is of course very important for professional providers like FIBARO, since those solutions are educating the market and drive customer demands in general. But we consider that it's good direction to follow both approaches, but to be specialized in one. So at the end of the day, at FIBARO, we are keeping two product lines. First line is dedicated for DIY, which is Apple HomeKit products. And those are like plug and play sensors, some accessories. And this is some part of our product portfolio and allows us to grow the business in some global projects and DIY retail chains. Also follow some telco projects where people are looking more for DIY solutions. The second options, and this is the path that we are following right now, and this is the approach where we are, let's say, using more like professional or what we call semi-professional channels. And this market is, in our opinion, more stable, and it has the biggest value for us because our solutions are designed for the installers and enabling and let's say it allows them to enabling full smart home potential and true ecosystem approach. So it gives the customer better experience. At the end of the day, we believe that for some of the application, there will always be the need for professional assistance. So there's also a third way that I wanted to, tell about, and this is how to mix those channels. So right now we have very interesting European projects where we are trying to combine DIY retail chains with a professional installation approach. And these are very simple bundle packs that user can buy or customer can buy together with professional installation. So this is, so it can be either professional installation or it can be some kind of remote assistance. So this is for the COVID reality. So it allows us to, still provide better experience and having more advanced installation. In general, we are trying to mix both approaches by this path.
Mm-hmm. So from where you sit in the market, having both of these approaches, how important do you see it being for manufacturers to really integrate well with each other? Is that primarily a consideration on the DIY side, or is it really impactful on the professional install side, or with this bundled approach that you have?
So, in general, the integration is like super important for all of us. Still, it will be on the side of the gateway manufacturers in general, right? On us as a provider. So we are trying to keep all those products linked together. This is what we are also doing in the group internally. So right now we are during the time of developing the products for the NICE group that allows for Z-Wave integration, creating the all experience ecosystem, right? Because still we believe that user will not look into very simple siloed solution, but he will look into more like ecosystem approach.
Yeah, absolutely.